year 2020 pa namin gusto magpakasal. Kaso, hindi lang nabigyan ng chance since nagka-COVID that time. Pumunta na si Adam sa Canada, so dito na namin ginawa.
Just because you can't count every grain of sand doesn't mean you can't still enjoy the beach. Don't lose the forest for the trees.
This day is a reminder of what your love has already accomplished and the amazing possibilities of what it can continue to accomplish and overcome in the many, many years ahead.
Don't get too stressed over
Their journey together, marked by adventures, laughter, and the joys of parenthood, have brought them to this momentous occasion.
There's a million things to do at any time, so what's it gonna be today? Don't lose the forest for the trees.
Isa siya sa mga taong nakilala ko na labis kong minahal na dahil sa kanyang kabutihan. Siyempre sa kanyang pagmamahal sa akin.
Nakitaan ko siya ng future talaga. Kaya siya ang napili ko. Hindi dahil sa physical appearance, but inside his heart. Wow, heart.
Oh, it can be perfect when it's stuck in your head. Yeah, it's harder when it's something you make. Don't lose the forest for the trees.
I'm the happiest man alive today because I promise to care for you and protect you. I promise to comfort you and encourage you. I promise to cherish and love. I promise to walk with you as long as you breath.
Don't lose the forest for the trees.
Nakakaiyak ko na. Ang gusto ko lang sa buhay ay yakapin mo ako. Hindi man ako milyonaryo, basta araw-araw yakap mo ko. Feeling ko ang yaman-yaman ko. Dahil gusto ko lang yakapin mo ako sa mga panahong may pagkukulang ako bilang asawa at ina. Pinapangako kong mamahalin ka hanggang sa pagtanda na walang halong pagtataksil. Sa sakit man o kalusugan, sa hirap man o ginahawa, sa dusa o ligaya, ikaw lamang, wala ng iba.
Don't lose